learn as much about your customer. If you're a salesperson, learn as much about your customers and what values they have, because every customer generally has a website and they like to post about us,
Yeah.
they like to be the leader in this, the leader in that, the
We're all
quality
leaders.
leader in
No.
this. Yeah, everyone's a leader in something. So it's like,
Yeah.
but why wouldn't you want to be the leader, right? Like,
Yeah,
that's the
no,
thing.
you do want.
You're
Yeah.
you're building a product. You want to be the best at building that product. So
Yeah.
ask the customers, about themselves.
Yeah.
I was listening to Don Akery's podcast with you, and he was talking about when you first meet, go on a date, you don't try and kiss the person
Yeah,
on
right.
the first date, And it's like, that's one thing as salespeople that we like to do is, here's all my features and benefits.
Yeah.
Buy from me. And I'm
Yeah.
still guilty of doing that. When
Yeah.
I go too fast, I still send emails like that. I go, oh man, I gotta
Yeah. Slow down.
wish I
Slow
had
down.
that one
Yeah.
back. But that's the thing is like, look for your mentors, look for like-minded people,